On today's video, I'll be showing you how to light your fireplace. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to find your gas supply to the fireplace. Here, it's going to be on the wall. You'll want to make sure that the gas is on. So with the gas, it's off right now. Now the way I know it's off is when you start rotating the key starts to push out towards you. So in closes the gas, out this way opens the gas. Now we're going to remove the access panel. Okay, so here we have our gas valve. Now right next to the screw there's a little nipple, a little marker right here. I'm touching it with the screwdriver. You'll want to set your knob to pilot. And once you set it to pilot, you'll push it in. And basically what we're doing is we're purging out the line of any air. Just press it in for a few seconds. That'll help you remove any air or debris in the line, especially if you haven't used your fireplace throughout the summer. There's going to be contaminants in the line. So you want to kind of bleed that out. Just hold it for a few seconds in. Make sure that your pilot is set to that marker. Now, while you're holding that button into your gas valve, you want to listen to make sure that there is pressure coming out. I don't know if you can hear it. Now, once you verify that there is pressure coming out, what you'll do is you'll hold the supply, push in for the pilot, and then you'll simultaneously hit the igniter button at the same time. I said you're going to be holding in, making sure your knob is set to pilot. You're going to be pushing that in, listening for the gas, and you're going to be hitting the igniter, pushing it in. Now, once you see the pilot light, you still want to hold the pilot in, and you want to let the pilot kind of burn for a couple of seconds before you disengage. What happens oftentimes is you'll get the pilot to turn on, and then you keep on disengaging from holding in the pilot, and it'll burn out. So you just want to hold it in for a couple of seconds, and then once you're comfortable, then go ahead and let it go. Now your pilot should stay lit. Once you've let your pilot run for a couple of minutes, go ahead and turn your setting from pilot to on. And you see here it's on the on setting where that little marker or nipple is. Now we're going to turn on the switch, and this will allow the fireplace to turn on. As I said, I do like to let the fireplace run for a couple of minutes just to clean out any debris or dirt that's in that line. Go ahead and put your access panel back on. Now do keep in mind that once you do turn off your fireplace, as long as your supply is on, your pilot is always going to stay lit. So right now I'm going to turn off the switch. And you can see here the pilot is going to stay lit. If you want to turn off your fireplace completely, you'll need to turn off the switch as well as turn off the gas supply line that I showed you earlier in the video. If this was a help, please subscribe.